Alright, you guys, Tech Talking Ginger here today, and we're gonna be reviewing a new mic. This video started off as one thing. It was already recorded. This was gonna be a review of the Rode VideoMic Me L for Lightning port, because it goes into your Lightning port of your iPhone. And it's a great mic. The Rode VideoMic is a good mic. I got a defective one. Possibly. Most likely it was defective. Right now on this iPhone 12 is this Shure MV88 mic. Fantastic. Much smaller than the Rode VideoMic when you see them in person. The Rode VideoMic is not huge. Much bigger dead cat. This is what you get on the Shure mic. They're both made very well. This one is 150, the Rode VideoMic is 70 to 80. You know, they are both good mics. The Shure mic is definitely better, yes. I don't know if it's twice as much money better, but it's better. But yeah, this was going to be about the Rode VideoMic, and what ended up happening is bought it, got here, went to do the video, recorded on the iPhone's standard mic, which you'll hear right now. What's up, everybody? Tech Talking Ginger here, and today we're going to be looking at the Rode VideoMic L for the Lightning attachment down here, instead of the previous model that just had a headphone jack right here and still had this little sleeve right here to attach it to your phone for grip, and still had the audio 3.5 millimeter jack on it. But this is the L for Lightning, for going on an iPhone with the Lightning adapter, and then you got your dead cat right here. And we're gonna talk about this, and we're gonna do some tests with it. So let's talk about why I am switching the mic. But first, let's also talk about why you're not subscribed. You guys, most of you who watch my videos, have not subscribed. If you guys enjoy this video, please do hit that subscribe button. It really helps a lot. And if you have subscribed, I really appreciate it, man. You guys, that helps a lot. Not being subscribed, you know, if you don't like the videos, I understand. But if you guys do watch my videos or want to watch more or enjoyed this video, just hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. But let's roll that intro. Alright, guys. So I was recording on a Sony ZV-1 camera, but lately I've been on the iPhone. And obviously I got the Rode VideoMic right here in my hands. This is just the iPhone 12 normal mic. This is the video quality. This is what my last video was recorded on. I think the sound was better on my last video, and that was just the normal iPhone microphone. I think that was better than with the ZV-1 and with the wireless mic that I was using with it, which is kind of crazy that the iPhone's built-in mic I think is better than that Bluetooth mic that was attached to the Sony ZV-1 camera. I also think the iPhone's video recording quality is just as good as the ZV-1. So all my future videos are going to be, for a while, on my iPhone, and will be with most likely this Rode VideoMic, unless I decide to upgrade. I don't know how good this is. Most of the reviews I've seen on YouTube doesn't seem like a huge jump in quality from the built-in mic to this. I don't know if that's just their editing of the audio in post or not, but hopefully I can just show you what the normal iPhone mic quality is, and then we're gonna cut to this and see how good it is. You know, because I don't know, I think this is going to be a big upgrade. It's a shotgun mic, so it's directional. It'll help with the ambient noise in my house, because I don't have a studio or anything. You know, I'm working with a limited budget here, guys. Hopefully the quality is going to keep going up with my videos. Hopefully this will help a lot with the sound quality. But that's yeah, it's hideous. Don't be wrong with this dead cat, and on on an iPhone, it doesn't look great. Looks a lot better without this. This is mostly if you're in a windy area or you're outside, so I won't be using this much. Thank God, because it looks stupid. Then there's this on the iPhone, which doesn't look bad at all. There's this little boot here that you can slide to tighten it onto your phone. But I'm gonna tell you, this thing, man, it's tight. It's not easy to slide. You got to put a lot of oomph, especially when you're taking it off. Yeah, this could be a little bit less snug. I would say a little less snug would be all right. But yeah, let's cut to this and continue this video with this and see how the sound quality improves, you guys. So let's cut. Did that whole portion of the video, the intro and everything with the normal mic, so that way you could see what the Rode video mic was going to be like. And then I cut and threw the Rode video mic on, and I recorded that portion, and this is what that sounded like. Alright guys, so this is with the Rode video mic L on the iPhone 12. Hopefully the sound comes through a lot better. It should hopefully eliminate any background noise, because this house is littered with background noise. Hopefully all my videos sound a lot better, you guys. Not good. Not good at all. So that whole thing was scrapped. So the next morning, went to try and record it again. And, well, it happened again. And was all distorted. Did it again, and portions are good, portions are bad, so on and so forth. And at this point I'm like, okay, maybe it's the Filmic Pro doesn't work with the Rode's video mic. So I tried the native camera app. Same thing, distorted. And at this point I'm like, what the heck? Got enough, good enough quality audio to finish out the video. Video mic L just sounds so much better on the iPhone 12. I did a video last night with it, and it was very distorted for some reason when I did the whole cut to next video. And then this morning I went to edit it, and I noticed it sounded all distorted and stuff, and I'm like, what the heck? And I think it's because I plugged it into the camera after having recorded, and I didn't close the app and stuff, and I think that caused a issue, you guys, with the video mic. Not really sure why, but it did. So we're re-recording it today, and it sounds great. And with all the good reviews, I knew this wasn't just a bad mic. You know, it had to have been my phone software, something messing with it, screen mirroring, Apple Watch, Bluetooth, something. So I tried airplane mode, I troubleshooted, I software updated the iPhone, and nothing worked. Put it in the girlfriend's iPhone 12, and it was fine. Put it on the iPad, and it was fine. So I'm sitting there thinking, okay, the mic's good. You know, it's got to be the phone, even though the lightning port works and it charges. You know, crazy. And ended up going to an Apple store. Really nice guy helped, really nice lady helped. It was working and not working, different environment, different situation. Had some crackling noises here and other issues, not nearly as bad as I was having here at the house. So I ended up just snagging this Shure, because it seemed like everything was fine with the iPhone, and it seemed like that mic was good, but maybe not. And the Shure is working great. Don't get me wrong, when the Rode worked on my phone, it sounded good, even though it almost never worked. But on the girlfriend's phone and on the iPad, the Rode sounded great. So realistically, you're going to end up getting a review on all three. You're going to end up hearing what the iPhone sounds like. You're going to end up hearing what the Rode sounded like, and you're going to end up hearing what this sounds like, since this whole portion of the video is recorded on the Shure MV88. But yes, you know, you're going to kind of get two intros here, I guess, and yeah, But hopefully this is helpful if you're on the fence on what mic to get. You'll know what the Shure sounds like, you'll know what the Rode VideoMic L sounds like, and you'll know what a standard iPhone sounds like with the built-on mic. And if you're on the fence on any of the three, there you go. And if you're maybe having these same issues that I had with the Rode VideoMic, or you have had those same issues with it, please comment below. I am curious. And hopefully if anyone is having distorted sound from the Rode VideoMic on the iPhone and can't find out why, like I couldn't, and there's no help online, maybe you'll run into this video and be like, hey, I had that same problem. It's the mic, and I need a new mic. Or maybe it's your iPhone. I still ain't sure what's going on with this whole situation. I'm pretty sure that that Rode VideoMic must have been messed up, and just only on my phone, I guess. Very strange. But hey, this is a kind of a review of all three, well, 2 mics and your standard built-in iPhone mic. But hopefully this helps you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and check out my other social medias. And yeah, I enjoyed the making of this video and the other ones for the most part, other than the hours of distorted video that I got from that Rode VideoMic. But yeah. Hopefully you enjoy watching these, and thanks a lot, and make sure to hit that like button if you did enjoy. And until next time, you guys, have a good one.